Wallpaper is a wall covering used to decorate interior walls. There is a wide variety of types, patterns, and materials for wallpaper, each with its own characteristics and advantages. Here is an overview of different types of wallpaper and their features. Types of wallpaper. Vinyl wallpaper. Characteristics. It is one of the most common and durable types. It is covered with a layer of vinyl, making it resistant to humidity and easy to clean. Usage. Ideal for high traffic areas like hallways and kitchens. Non-woven wallpaper. Characteristics. Made from a blend of cellulose and textile fibers. It is easy to apply and remove. It does not tear easily and can be washed. Usage. Suitable for all types of rooms, including living rooms and bedrooms. Paper wallpaper. Characteristics. Made solely of paper. This type is often more delicate and less resistant to moisture. It can be painted or printed with various patterns. Usage. Generally used in rooms less prone to moisture and stains. Textile wallpaper. Characteristics. Made from textile fibers like cotton or silk, it is often more luxurious. It can have a rich and sophisticated texture. Usage. Ideal for formal or elegant spaces like living rooms or offices. Non-woven wallpaper. Characteristics. Similar to non-woven wallpaper but with an even more durable structure. Often used for complex patterns. Usage. Suitable for interior decoration projects that require increased durability. Patterned wallpaper. Characteristics. Includes a wide range of patterns, from floral to geometric, through artistic designs. Usage. Allows for customization of the wall's appearance according to personal preferences or the room's style. Advantages of wallpaper. Variety of styles and patterns. Wallpaper offers a wide range of designs and colors, allowing easy space customization. Ease of maintenance. Some types of wallpaper, like vinyl, are easy to clean and maintain. Acoustic improvement. Wallpaper can help improve a room's acoustic insulation. Durability. Modern wallpapers are designed to be durable and withstand daily wear. Application and maintenance. Preparation of walls. Walls should be clean, dry, and smooth before wallpaper application. Application. Most modern wallpapers use adhesives that make application easier. Some types require the walls or paper to be pasted. Maintenance. The cleaning method depends on the wallpaper type. Vinyl and non-woven wallpapers are usually washable, while paper wallpapers may need more delicate cleaning. Choosing wallpaper will depend on your personal preferences, required functionality, and the style you want to create in your space.